Hey TC family, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a happy holiday. Today we are going to talk about budgeting and figuring out what your debt to income ratio is. Now if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to see new videos every week. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to go through is how to complete a budget. Now this will help anyone not familiar with budgeting. With a simple budget, you will be able to figure out how to manage your finances and make better financial decisions. Now setting better financial goals and implementing them will help you get ahead in your journey. The first step is to see where your money is going. Now I found that a lot of people don't usually keep too much track of their spending and where their money goes. This is something that you'll need to know in order to see where you stand and what changes you need to make to afford your next home. Start by checking your income. How much do you make each month? This could include a regular salary, commissions, any alimony you get, child support, etc. Now to make a budget, you can use an Excel spreadsheet or a budget app like Mint or Every Dollar that can help you keep track of what you're spending. Let's start with a simple budget. We will go through the different expenses you may have. The first thing that we want to write down is your income. Start with your gross and then write down your net. Now your net is what you will get after taxes and any deductions. Next, we're going to go through your housing expenses. This is going to include rent, utilities, and electric and water that you pay for, your phone bill, your internet bill, your food bill, and any savings that you have to put towards your savings account every month. The next category is going to be transportation. This is going to be any gas that you pay for, your car payment, and car insurance. Next on the list is going to be your debts. This will include any credit cards that you have, any student loans that you may have you're paying for, and your personal loans that you've taken out lately. The next category is going to be lifestyles. This will include any health insurance that you pay for out of pocket, any charity that you give back to, personal care, any entertainment that you have every month, and any miscellaneous items that you have not added to the budget so far. Once you've added all of this, you're going to go ahead and calculate your overall total for your budget. Once all your expenses are listed and totaled up, now it's going to be time to calculate your debt to income. Now the first part of calculating your debt to income is to calculate your debts itself per month. This is also going to include your rent and any mortgage that you currently have. Also write down any car payments that you have with this category, and then you're going to go ahead and write down credit cards, personal loans, and student loans. Go ahead and calculate the total debt that you're paying for every month. Now divide the debt by your total gross, and this will give you your debt to income ratio. Now keep in mind your debt to income ratio. Lenders will generally lend up 43% for a qualified mortgage. Ideally, you do want to be at 30% or less though. If your debt to income is 43% or higher, you will want to take some action to reduce it. You can start by increasing the amount you pay per month towards your debt. Any extra payments will lower the debt faster. Avoid taking on any more debt. Start by postponing any purchases and start saving instead. Recalculate your debt to income monthly to see your progress, and watch your debt to income fall will help motivate you to keep going. Lesser debt usually equals more freedom to get what you need in the future. Now I hope these steps help anyone out there looking to make some new changes to their finances in the new year to help jumpstart their home journey. Now if you like this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Just go ahead and share with your friends as well. Remember to hit the notification bell to get any updates on the new videos that will be coming out every week. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook if you have any questions, or you can just visit my website at tchomelifestyles.com. If you are interested in more details on the home buying process, just check out my other videos on this channel. Thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.